All right, are we live? Hello, test, 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 test. Mic check. Hello, 1, 2. Oh yeah, we're live. What's up, Juna? How's it doing? How are you doing? Hello, we're live. Oh, okay, we are. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, live. Hello. How's it going? What is your status update on the Phidias accounts right now, or Ballnox? How's it going? Making any progress, or? You're writing thesis, so that doesn't sound like fun. Damn. What a sell-off here on. I mean, it's not too bad. Like 150 points. Having little progress. But progress is progress. Do you have an account that is close to being passed or not? And I don't want to jinx it. I have this one that is 350 away from a payout. So hopefully by tomorrow, we're going to get this to a payout. And 37 to pass. Okay, nice. Nice. Getting closer then. Definitely getting closer. All right, I'm ready to go. Yeah, once you build some buffer in these accounts, they're really, really good. I mean, right now, because we're up, what is it? We're up 1150. Now my drawdown is like 1650. So that's nice. It's just important to nail the first trades. You really got to get them right. If you have a loss on the first couple trades, it's hard to recover them. All right, 6 minutes to go here. Like always, we're gonna take my opening trade on the Bullnox account, and then we're gonna move on to Tradeify. And after this, we're gonna go over to Phidias. Yeah, I got a couple more evals with Bullnox, so once I'm getting some accounts to a payout, I'm definitely gonna try to pass them and maybe get up to 300 accounts with Bullnox at least. All right, let's make sure everything's set up. All right, that works as well. Are you gonna trade today, Juno, or just gonna sit out? Okay. Reload that as well. You will watch? Okay. But yeah, if you're 73 off, it's basically like, what is it, one trade, two more trades, and then should be passed. When does this sale end? Let me check again. Is it tomorrow or? It's not today, right? No. Let me check this. Oh, it will go until last day of May. That's perfect. 4 minutes for the 50-minute candle. Yeah, I mean, the market is going to open in 4 minutes. I mean, I take the 15-minute range break, but when we're 15 minutes into the market, so. Today's the 29th. So if I get to payout by tomorrow, what I hope with my Phidias accounts, I'm definitely going to stock up a couple more evals with them. I really would like to get to a live account with 2,500 in drawdown and then just take daily payouts, just take my opening range break there on Phidias as well and take out my money. And it's still a long way to go. Oh, you can have 5 evals maximum at a time? Really? Damn it, okay. I guess I gotta YOLO them tomorrow then. I think it's 5 cash accounts max, right? No, you can have unlimited evals. It's only the cash account, like the funded accounts, it's 5 maximum. Like from how I see it. Like if we check here. So these are the static eval accounts and there's no limit. But for the funded accounts, they say available 4 out of 5. I think you're good with buying evals. Yeah, five funded accounts. I'm pretty sure because they don't really care if you stack up evals, I guess. But I mean, I'm gonna figure it out, I guess. But yeah, I will only do it if I get a payout tomorrow. If I'm getting to a payout, otherwise I don't want to put more money in right now. But basically, one payout on one account pays for all the evals plus all activation fee, etc. So plus profit on the side as well. That's what I'm trying to do. It's the benefit of prop firms. One payout covers so much. But yeah, we still gotta go there first. We still gotta get this. There's no volatility. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't really look like I'm gonna get a setup here on the open, to be honest. I mean, all levels that I would look for to be broken are so far away. I mean, the only thing again is just the RTY, I guess. I mean, it's still 5 points away. I don't know. 5 points to the top, 5 points to the bottom. The other ones, they don't really look like I can take something. But yeah, we will see. All right, good luck if you're trading today. Good luck, good luck, good luck. I mean, we're selling off the last hours here. So let's see. Yep, we keep selling off. Damn it. All right, the YM is going lower, but I'm not gonna take it on the YM. This is no, can't do that. Yes, going lower. Nasdaq is going lower. Big sell-off here. Big sell-off. Yeah. Still looking at the YM, but this is too much. It's coming right at a level of support as well. So. Well, Okay, I mean, RTY looks good. We just need a good close here on the next candle coming up. Everything selling off. Just need a good close. All right. And we're just gonna scalp it like always. If we get a move here, take our couple $100 and move on. Okay. Big sell-off. Good that I didn't take it on the YM. I'm gonna show you. I was looking at this for an entry, but we would be still stuck in that. Good trade. Yeah, I told you this. It works. It works always pretty decent. I mean, of course, it goes lower now, but we just want to get out of this drawdown. This is the goal for now. And then once we're out of the 2600 drawdown, we're gonna hold the trades longer. I told you before, last year with Apex, 3 contracts, so 1 more contract, then just take your $200, $300, $400 every day on the open and just call it a day, you know? Then just cycle through the accounts. I had a couple of accounts, never copy traded them. If I had a loss, I just moved on to the next account, and then 10 days in a row or 8 days in a row, you can flip and you just take out the payout. It was so much easier last year. But you see, if we have a good close, we're breaking a level, we're with the trend, we always get at least a little spike. Hey Yash, how's it going? Oh, I'm good. What about you? Took our opening trade here, and now we just gotta wait for the 15-minute range to form and take a break there. You lost, take the 15-minute one? Okay. But yeah, like I said, once we're 2600, so we need 700 more, then we're definitely going to hold the trades at least maybe 1-to-1, because then we can really push these accounts. But first step for me is just getting out of the drawdown. It looks good. You can even put your stop now into profit, you know, maybe trail it. All right, let's move over to M&Q. How's your day going, Yash? Took any trades or still waiting? Oh, no trades for you today. No. I mean, we had a big sell-off the last couple hours, so but yeah, we got a pretty clean scalp here on the open. Now we just gotta wait 10 more minutes. Let me check news for today. What do we have? Okay, in 25 minutes we have pending home sales, and then that's pretty much it. So not too crazy. Not too crazy. But yeah, today it looks like it doesn't matter where I would have taken my open trade, it would have worked out. On ES, it looks good. US worked out, YM worked out, but took a little bit longer. And then, of course, RTY, you saw it, worked out as well. Juno, do you take the 15-minute break the same way I do it, or you take it a little bit different? Same? Okay. Did you do back testing on it or no? Yeah, yesterday was funny. 2 ticks away from my stop, and then it actually worked out. That was nice. I think if I would have done this just from the beginning on my Tradeify accounts, they would have been at a payout now. But yeah, we're like halfway through, at least on this account. And on Tradeify, the trailing, or like, I mean, the end of day drawdown is gonna stop at 1100 in profit on the 25k straight to funded. And once we're in 1100 in profit, I'm gonna size up to 3 contracts. Then just try to push it a little bit harder. Still going lower. Huge sell-off, yeah. I mean, I always say it, I'm not a fan of it. If we just sell off or we go straight higher in the first 15 minutes, because it's gonna be difficult then to take something on the 15-minute break. So I'd rather see a pullback soon. Oops, still selling off everywhere. Did Trump say anything? I think this morning we just had news coming out. That's it, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we had like, what is it, unemployment claims and stuff. I don't know if it's something particularly about Trump. I think it's also still a little bit too early for him to speak, right? I'm not sure. Well, I think yesterday there was something that that some judge or something he blocked the tariffs for the U.S. or something, but I'm not sure. All right, I want to see a pullback here. Still going lower. Oh, let me check my stocks, how they are doing. Okay, nice. That looks good. Still going lower, Juna. I don't like it. Not a fan of it. I mean, it's good for people who are short, but not nice for the 50-minute range. You can only find 2 setup or 1 max, but I don't know how you take so many. I mean, on the open, I look at YM, RTY, ES, and MNQ. So I have 4 futures open, you know, then it's easier to find setups. Because sometimes on ES there's no setup, but then there's something on RTY. But it's just 1 setup a day for the open trade. And then I have 1 setup for the 15-minute range break. And then after this, I'm just scalping right now. Just taking really small targets, you know, on Phidias. But once I'm in a live account, I'm not going to scalp it anymore. I'm probably also going to take the 15-minute range. Because scalping it is definitely more risky. But I mean, when I had more accounts and I didn't copy trade them, let me show you. Like on the, like let's say on the ES, I mean, this was the open. This is something I would take, you know, take my 2-3 points there. And then I wait for something like a pullback. Then this could have been another entry, you know. Just trying to still be with the trend and with momentum. That's how I used to do it in the past. Let's go. 30 minutes. Yep. Oh, 2 minutes. 2.5. I mean, I want to see a pullback. Because if we have a huge sell-off at one point, you're going to see a pullback, and I don't want it to pull back when we're in the move. Or here on RTY, you know, if we had more accounts, this is something I would take as well. We had the sell-off. First entry was here, this one. Took a couple points, now waiting for a pullback. Now another break of the level, etc. That's how I used to trade them. And then even, I mean, I used 3 contracts. Even if you just take 2 points of a trade, it's still like 300 or like 285 or something of the fees. So it really adds up. All right. Let's see, I mean. I don't know if I'm going to take this. No pullback, no nothing. I mean, the candle is still forming the range, so, you know. All right, let's see. I mean, now the range is formed. It is what it is. Just give us a little pullback and then go lower. It's a 150-point sell-off right on the open, so that's just a lot. Oh, we gotta see a pullback first. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this one was not an entry for me because we didn't close below it. It's just, I mean, we already sold off 150 points, you know? Do you really think we're gonna get much more right now without a pullback? This is always what I'm asking myself. Just gotta see a better pullback. I mean, it's holding at least. Never mind. I mean, close below. Did you take it or you're waiting? Well, it works so far. You will take it? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe on the 2 minute. After this candle. I think I might wait. I gotta see a pullback. I want to see a pullback. And that's good. Well, that's not an entry for me. Yeah, there's no strong indication. Like the last 3 candles are pretty small. But if we now get a strong candle that goes lower and has a strong close, I'm gonna take it then. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, ideally I wanted a better pullback. It is what it is. I mean, this got to close strong and then I will take it. Nope, not closing strong. Need to follow the market, yeah. Well, that's why I say for the 50-minute range, I definitely prefer it if we're in a range actually, you know, not just going straight up, straight down. Oh. All right. Still the same system. If we have a good close, I will take it. Yeah, okay, I think this is gonna be an entry now, to be honest. It's definitely closing. Good. It's just gonna be a wider stop now, what I don't like. All right, I am in. I don't know if I just take my 20 points or set it lower. It's just no pullback before. This is... I don't know, Juna. I gotta set it lower. But yeah, here's the pullback now. This might be the third loss. Oh, you're out? Okay. Well, my stop loss is above the candle here. Yeah, that's what I mean. I definitely want to see these pullbacks. Because at one point, it just has to pull back, you know? There it goes. Huh. I mean, I would take it one more time if we get another re-entry here. Yeah, this is the third time we have a loss on this. Yeah, this might be something interesting to talk about in the future if it's still a good trade to take if we just go straight in one direction without pullbacks. All right, let's see. I would take it one more time. Jeez, my stomach. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes and then if we get another entry, I will take it. If not, we're gonna move on. How much did you lose? Like, where was your stop? $36. Oh, okay, not too bad. Yeah, my stop was a bit wider. $20. Okay, it's one contract, right? Or okay, and then you went long. All right, so you're up. That's good. Yeah, we have news in 5 minutes. Break even. Nice, nice, nice. And we're pulling back. If we get a re-entry, I will take it. I will take it. That's so good with Tradeify. You don't have a trailing drawdown. It's just end of day in the straight to funded account. Maybe on the weekend, I'm going to do some more back testing and see, okay, is it worth it to take if we just go straight down or straight up in the first 15 minutes without a pullback? Good bounce here, 70-point bounce. Okay, I'm gonna give it 4 more minutes and then we will move on. Okay, selling again. Damn. Well, looks like I'm gonna re-enter here if we close again. Ooh, but that's a wide stop. All right, in here. Maybe into the lows. Maybe we get a win here, and then we just basically break even on the day. Okay, let's see. First reaction was good. Just the news they gotta be in our favor here, hopefully. If we get a good spike lower and we're coming up to the news, I'm gonna put a break even. One and a half minutes. Now I'm thinking, should I just... No, we're gonna leave it on. Could have been out now, break even. All right, let's see. Could also just rip higher now with the news, and then gonna be a big loss today on Tradify. All right, 1 second. Volatility coming in. Not really moving though. Gotta push the market lower here. Okay, good spike. Halfway there. Just gotta continue here. Need a good close on this candle, and then just take out the previous lows. Yeah, this is not what we want to see. Back to the entry. Not moving that clean, unfortunately. All right, still at this level. Yeah, which is not worth it putting it break even too early. It's just with all these wicks, you just get wicked out. But maybe even I'm gonna regret it. Okay, as long as it's rejecting, we should be fine. Okay, still holding. If we get another good close and profit, I'm gonna start moving my stop closer. It's a good reaction. Just gotta keep this momentum going. All right, I'm gonna move my stop, just 50% off the entry candle here, just to minimize the potential loss. That was a good close now in profit. Just gotta take out the previous lows. If we get closer to the entry, I'm gonna move it break even. Okay, right into the lows here. Might see some people buying it down here at the previous lows. All right, there we go. That's how we do it. All right, nice, nice and nice. Yeah, this account is a little bit off with the copy trader. But yeah, basically back to break even. Back to break even. Nice. Yeah, this is interesting for the future. Like I said, if we just, in the first 15 minutes, if we just go higher or lower without any pullbacks, I don't know if it's worth it to take the 15-minute break. Because once we get this pullback and then we have another entry, it just rolls in pretty good. All right, nice. And now it goes lower. Yeah, I was even thinking, like, once I re-enter, maybe I should just put a 2-to-1, just to get my loss back plus a profit, but I think this would be just too greedy. Oh yeah, not too bad. Would have definitely worked 2-to-1 here, actually. All right. Yeah, I would have liked that this account is also like around 30 bucks at least, but it is what it is. Now it goes lower. All right, not bad, not bad. Well, if we just didn't take this first one and then just take this one as the second entry, we would have been up like 100 to something, 130, right? It is what it is. All right, let's move over to Quant Tower. Let's trade this video's account. Damn, What a sell-off. Hey Sean, how's it going? Did you take your 15-minute break? Looks like there was an entry for you, right? We took this one. Like we were discussing it if we should take it or not because no pullback beforehand, and then unfortunately we got stopped out. But we took the re-entry here, and then we got a pretty good move down. You took it, nice. You're still in, right? You're looking for 100 points. Oh, you should be out soon, right? Yeah. So basically, we're break even on the day. This is just copy trader being off a little bit. Then we had our opening scalp on Bullnux. Oh yeah, nice. Good job. Nice. What was your entry here? I mean, I know you take it on the 5-minute just to. Was this one your entry? Right, should have been your entry, right? And then you have 50 points stop. Oh, at 522. Oh, okay. 522. And one in the draw. Oh, okay, so you DCA'd into it. Nice. How much did you make? Good job. Man, I really like the 15-minute break. I really, really like it. What's happening? I don't know. Maybe Trump speaking. No idea. Maybe Trump said something. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the 15-minute break. I mean, usually it's super smooth, and there's not a lot to think about. Just pretty much black and white. All right. So, guys, on this account, we have a static drawdown. We started with 500. Now we're up $1,000.50. So our drawdown is like 1,600 in total. Our target is 26,500 to get $1,000 payout plus a 500 live account. So we're getting closer. We're just scalping aggressively on this account. So DCAing into it, etc. Yeah, okay, that's the good part with DCA. If it works, like your wins are bigger. It's just whenever it goes against you and you add contracts, this is where it really hurts. I don't know. Hey, Franz, how's it going? How's your journey going? You still trading at Top Step or something else? Yeah, so on this account, we're taking 24 ticks with 2 micros, and this is like around $20 in profit. We got to do it 8 times today, and then 8 times tomorrow, and then we have to pay out. So this is the goal for today. We're just trying to scalp, getting some momentum, etc. So just gonna wait for the close here. Maybe should wait for a pullback. How much are you away from payout, Sean? Also, did you take it yesterday? Yesterday I got super lucky. I was 2 ticks away from being stopped, and then it turned around. That was pretty nice. Usually it does this right against you. Like you get 2 ticks close to your target and then it turns around, but this was really nice. Still going lower. Okay, you're trying to work on that. Okay. Okay, the first one got stopped, the second worked. Yeah, I got lucky 2 ticks away and then it turned. All right, I just don't want to go short here right at the bottom. So I definitely would like to see a little pullback. I mean, we're just looking for 6 points at a time, but don't want to risk it. Huge sell-off here today. If I taken these 15-minute opening range breakouts just from the beginning, this account, I mean, these accounts, they would be at a payout already. I don't know. I was a silly goose the first couple weeks on them. And if I just didn't blow the other three, if I just stayed disciplined, man, we could have gotten a really nice payout there. Yeah, it's super smooth, right? I mean, it feels super, super smooth most of the times. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna look at for the future. Like whenever we just sell off the first 15 minute or we push higher without having a pullback, then I don't think it's worth it to take it from me because at one point we get a pullback and of course, right when we went short here, we got the pullback and then yeah. So if I just waited here for this pullback and take this entry because it also broke the range, I would be up like 130 on these accounts. I still need to look at that. What the best way is to do that. Okay, pulling back. And once I get a payout on these Tradeify accounts, I'm gonna buy the other 3 back that I lost, the straight to funded ones, and then just take the same trade Monday to Friday and just let it play out. Especially if it's end of day drawdown, so it's pretty good. I mean, how long are you doing it now? Maybe it's just because I just started recently and I got a little bit lucky the last weeks, but since when are you doing it? And how is your like overall win rate? What do you feel like? Okay, let's see. Oh, it didn't. Uh, huh? Okay, my orders are not going through. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. Hopefully I'm not in. Wait, let me reload. That's weird. Well, I tried to take a scalp, go short, but my orders just didn't work. Would have worked. All right, let me just restart my quant tower just to make sure. I'm trading the orb since last year, but it didn't work very well this year. I mean, could have been just the market conditions, maybe, or what do you think? Yeah, also your data is gonna be different to mine because I look for smaller targets, I have smaller stops, etc. But yeah, I think that's the most important thing, just to keep improving it and keep looking at it. All right, come on, let me. We're missing all the action here. I don't know if it's something with my connection or. Oh, it says it's connecting. Okay, now it works. All right, let me just clean my nose. My nose is getting clogged and my eyes are tearing up again. The freaking allergy is getting me. You think it might stop working at any time? I mean, we never know. I mean, market conditions can always change. Yeah, of course. Look, this is why I wanted to go short, but okay, now my orders go through. Okay. Wow. Damn it. But last year, if you look back, like, what do you think was the reason it didn't work out? Was just the market wasn't moving that smooth like it does right now, or what do you think was the issue there? Still going lower, but I don't want to go short now at the bottom. Don't want to go short at the bottom. No trades for you? Well, sometimes it's better to not take any trades and just be break even on the day. But yeah, thanks like always, Josh, for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And I see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. It's tempting to just go short. Can't do it. All right, let's see if we can get the first scalp here. And we're looking for 6 points. That's all we need. Okay, missed us there by just a tick. Okay, nice. Okay, I see. Well, I just hope it keeps working out that fine. I mean, even if we have like a loss here and there, you know, if we win like 3 or 4 times per week, it's still pretty good. Like you will always have losses, but if the win rate just stays consistently like it is right now, it would be nice. Okay, we're 330 away from a payout here. Just taking little scalps. No, 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 no. I didn't trade the 15 minute. But I was trading my opening strategy like you're a ninja trader. Like here. I mean, what did we take today? This was the trade on the open. Here on the 2 minute, I took it. But that's what I used to do last year. That's why I got most of my money. I did it with 3 contracts instead of 2, and then just take 2.5 points, and it's like between $300 and $360. Do it like 8 times in a row, and just cycle through these accounts, and then you get out of the drawdown, the trailing drawdown threshold. Plus, you get to a payout. And I mean, last year it was super easy. Last year, Apex 2,600 in profit, you take out 2K, and this changed. And since then, it's harder for me. But yeah, in my best month I ever had, I made 10,000 or 12,000 even, and I had 7 accounts. I lost one, the other 6 I got to a payout. Just take one trade on one account and move on to the next one, etc. That's all what I did. But yeah, moving forward, I will change it a little bit. Like we have this bull on Nox account. Once we're at 2,600, I'm definitely going to start to hold my trades longer and try to trail it because our drawdown stops at 2,600 anyway. So, and then we can start to build up this account, hopefully. But yeah, last year, whenever I could, I just took out the money. That's all what I did. I never wanted to risk anything, you know. Whenever I'm at 2,600 in Apex, I just took it out. But then, of course, I blew a lot of accounts because after you take out 2K, you have 500 in drawdown left. And if you trade 3 minis, it's like, what is it? 3 points, basically, on the ES, you know, and then you're out. You lose the account. Looking back, I'm a little bit disappointed in myself. Last year was the perfect time to just trade 20 accounts with Apex, you know, and just milk them. Now it's so much harder for me. Now they put me on probation, so I need to get to 3,100 in profit on Apex to take out 500. That's definitely harder. And then I stopped trading the strategy for a while because of the tariffs. It was just so volatile, and then it doesn't work, and there's too much volatility. Are we still pulling back? Are you using Apex, or who are you using right now? I don't remember. Oh yeah, that's what I'm asking. I saw that. I mean, they put me on probation like last year. I don't even remember when. But it was a while ago. They put me on probation, and then they told me someone is gonna reach out to me in the next 30 days. Never happened. But yeah, I didn't receive any emails. I mean, I blew up my last Apex accounts anyway, so didn't get any emails there. It's just random. Some people get banned and they're not even profitable, you know, or like they're up like maybe 4 or 5,000 on Apex, and they get banned. So super weird. Yeah, I definitely prefer Bullnox right now. They're much smaller. They're like under the radar. There's no one really trying to milk them. I just feel it's safer with them right now. Or Tradeify. Tradeify also super good right now. I'd rather have the prop firm limit the accounts at 5 or 7 or even 10, but then just be more sustainable for the future. Maybe Apex can still turn it around if they go back maybe to 10 accounts or change some other rules again. No, never. I always say it. The next time I get a payout, I will try them. I really want to try them. I really want to try them. That's what I'm working on with Phidias right now. Is when we get a payout here, like we need 340 more, we get $1,000 payout. Plus we get the $500 into a live account, and then it's daily payouts as well. So it's a little bit similar then. But I really want to try take profit trader and then just take the opening, the 50-minute opening range break. And yeah, check out the money every day, hopefully. I even thought about opening up my own personal account again. I used to trade my own money and then do the same there, just do 50-minute range and take out the money every other week. Show the tick setting. Tick setting for what? What exactly? On here? On Quant Hour, or? I mean, so what I do, Juno, is just here, 2 contracts, 24 ticks, that's all. But don't try it. Trust me, be careful. Be careful. You need to be ready to DCA into it. What are you trying to do? Pass the account, or what is your goal? Might be a bit too late here. Just need this little fill. Come on, give me the 6 points. All I need. Yeah, just looked away for a split second. Could be out already here. Yeah, you should have the same options as me because I have the free version as well. This is all just the free version. I mean, what I like is the break even button. We don't have that on NinjaTrader. If you scalp for a couple of ticks, you really gotta be there. Just looking away for not even a second. Could have been out already. All right, nice. Well, $20 here and there, it adds up over time. It definitely adds up. $310 away. Slowly, we're getting there. Definitely more volatile than yesterday. More action today. All right, just let me check something. Give me 1 sec. I will be right back. Alrighty. Yeah, hopefully we get one more trade here and then I'm just gonna take a break. I really want to go outside a little bit, go for a little walk. So let's wait for a little pullback and then another move. Hey Mo, Uncle Mo in the house. How's it going? Yeah, let me show you what happened today. This account is just a little bit in profit because of the copy trader was off. But yeah, we had a loss here on, what was it? Yeah, this was our entry, the 50-minute range. I was thinking about should I take it or not because no pullback before, just straight down. Then of course, once I was short, there's the pullback. And then we re-entered on this candle and then this worked out pretty smooth. So yeah, we're up on these two, I mean, pretty much break even here. And this one, we just took our scalp in the morning. And now we're trading the other account again, the Phidias account. We already had 2 trades. I still want to take one more, but then I'm probably going to go and take a little walk with my fiance. You're still holding longs, right? Or did you close them? Okay, let's see. Just need one more little short. Starting to going sideways a little bit here. Let me zoom in. All right, getting some momentum here. Just looking for our 24 ticks. Okay, still holding. Okay, just missed us there. Okay, nice, nice. All right, so we're up 60 on this one. Yeah, guys, I think I'm just gonna take a little break. We just wanna go for a walk outside and get some fresh air. I don't know, should I just leave the stream open or should I just take it off and restart once I'm back? I don't know. I mean, I will take maybe like 30 minutes. I don't know. Should we just leave it open? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave the stream on and I'm just gonna write something here. Text. Leave it open with a note. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Should I open a position on the Phidias just for the jokes with one contract? We're gonna do this on the eval. On the eval, we're gonna leave one open. Yeah, we're gonna have one open in the eval. Where is it? Here. Should we take it long or short? What do you guys think? long. Oh, against the trend. Damn. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, so if the camera is disabled. Oh, that's not really easy to see, or. Okay, it has to be in a different color, right? Okay, let's do it for the jokes. But only one contract. What should be the target? What is the TP? In yellow. Yeah, that's better. 480 ticks or points? Okay, and then when the camera's off. Is that good? Okay, 480 ticks. Said you're. Okay, 480 ticks it is. Okay, just make sure we're on the eval. Alright, guys, you got this. Where's my target? Okay, there's my target, no stop. Alright, can you see everything? Does it work? Probably people are gonna join and be like, what? He's in a position and he just walks away. Does he know he's in a trade? Stop loss. Ah, well, we can't use a stop, man. Like, come on. Stop loss? I mean, this is static drawdown anyway, so it is what it is. I mean, it's an eval, $8.80. It is what it is. All right. Let me just say bye. All right. Yeah, let's leave it like it is. I mean, it's one contract, but who knows? All right, guys. It takes like, I don't know, maybe like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I will be back in just a couple of minutes, but we want to get some fresh air. All right, guys. So you take care of this trade, please. All right, guys. See you in a couple of minutes. Oh, and that's what's going on. Oh, you want the higher TP? Oh, overnight low. What is the overnight low? What's up, Nassim? Four 480. I mean, this is super close. And we're already there, almost. 480? Nah. I mean, we could put it into this area. I don't know. Well, maybe we'll move to here. Okay, good. All right, guys. Let's do it like this so you can see it even if the chart moves. All right, I will be back in like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Depends on how long we're gonna walk. But I appreciate you all tuning in. And yeah, take care of the trade, please. All right, just a couple minutes. In case someone comes in here, just let them know, please. I'm gonna be back in a couple minutes. Thank you. Don't check it on your phone. That's what I was just about to say. Should I take my phone and check it? Okay, I'm not gonna check it. And we're still in, or what? I mean, we were up like, what is it? 50 points? That's it? Wait, is the stream even live? Oh yeah, we should be live, right? Alright, we're still in. Still in. Well, the moment I come back, we're just selling off. It was a good trade, the other wasn't. Yep, I guess I missed it. Now we're just selling off. Well, maybe you gotta go for another walk here, huh? Damn it. I mean, I don't even want to be stuck in this. I wanted to trade the funded account. Gosh darn it. Well, the moment I walk in here, we're just selling off 50 points. Damn. Well, looks like it's time for some DCA. If we have to, we're gonna DCA. I mean, that's just an evil. Damn, Sean, you were watching the whole time. Appreciate it. Damn. Bounce off the orb low. True. Yeah, I see it. Oh, interesting. Now we're just selling off. Well, I wish we wouldn't be in this anymore because I really wanted to trade the funded account. All right, let me take off my shoes and all of that. I mean, we're just gonna DCA into it. We're just gonna look for a good win here. If not, we're just gonna bloat it, I guess. All right. Quick sell off. Something happened. Yeah, I came back home. That's what happened. They were watching me. It's the market makers, the sim market makers. They're after me. It's the sim market makers. Yeah, probably someone tweeting. Or yeah, some data coming out. I don't know. I mean, it's static drawdown anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much. But since I got in, I never went into the negative, right? I was in profit the whole time, or like somewhere here I entered. Okay, maybe a little bit. But yeah, it looks like we're just selling off right now. Oh, we're going higher again. Didn't get my fill there on the other contract. I mean, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna hold this, or I wanted to trade the funded account. Maybe if we get to this level, I'm just gonna take it off. How much is it in USD? 50 points or 60 points on one contract? How much is it? Like 100 or something, right? Should be $100. 200 on one contract? Really? Damn, should have taken it then, I guess. Oh, now we're stuck at this. Oh, I'm not a. I mean, I just want to trade my funded account. Oh, $100. Okay. Still not bad. I mean, on one micro. I would like to get one more contract in. I mean, we're just going to be more aggressive here. Just going to DCA, make some money, and then switch over to the funded account again. That's funny. They write them exactly when I come back. The first thing I see is we're going negative. Also, I saw you yesterday in Alpine stream, right? You watched Alpine? Or was it another Sean? I think I saw you there. Come on, fill us. I get filled here. Really? Hmm. Oh. That's annoying that we didn't get filled there. I still think we might go lower here. But if we just catch a good bounce with maybe another contract, then we should be fine. Maybe we can just buy one more here. Let's just do that. I mean, I just don't want to be stuck in this trade forever, so just gonna be more aggressive. Definitely there were quite a few setups where I could have gotten my scalps in with the funded account, but it is what it is. Let's see if we can get filled here the third contract and then get a little bounce. Then we're gonna move to funded account again. All right, should get filled here. One more. Okay. Just want one good bounce and then take my profits here on the scalp and move forward or move back to the funded account. Okay. Just spike a little bit more. We can still DCA even more. We can be super aggressive here. All right, let's see. Just want to get out of this trade, then go back to the funded account now. Still add maybe one more, and then we just let it run. All right, let's see. Yeah, on the funded, I would take shorts here. We just stuck in this. Okay, let's add just one more. Just a little bit more. I mean, if we get a good bounce here, we're gonna make a lot of progress on this. Right at the entry here. Okay, maybe we can get off at least one here. That would be nice. Why didn't it fill us? That was super delayed. All right. Still have 3 left here. Let me close the window. It's getting loud. Come on, just give us the last push and then we can move over to the funded account again. Just do it. Okay, 5 points off here. Oh, it's so close. Don't turn over again. Just take me out first. How many trades you make per day usually? I mean, trades that follow like a set strategy is twice or 3 times per day. Like I have a trade right on the open with momentum and the trend. Then we take the 15-minute range and breakout. In case we get stopped with our first try, we're gonna re-enter if we can. And yeah, but on these accounts, we're just scalping. This is also an eval account, and I opened the trade, went for a walk, and now we're kind of stuck in the trade. But we're just scalping and building up some momentum here. So I'm not really following a strategy or something. Just trying to get some momentum going. Oh, it's so close. That's why, yeah, don't copy anything here. This is just, we're trading eval, so it doesn't really matter the $8.80 for one account. We're just trying to be aggressive. But on my other funded accounts, let me show you here on NinjaTrader. Oops. So here we had our scalp at the open. We made 190. Then on these two, we copy trade them together, Tradeify accounts. The first time we got stopped and then we re-entered. So we're pretty much break even. I mean, just up a little bit. Oh, it didn't fill me. Oh my god, we're still stuck. Yeah, we just want to get out so we can trade the funded account again. We have another account here that is super close to a payout, so. Well, just missed us there by 1 tick. And then we have this funded account. We're 290 off a payout here. And we're just scalping as well. So we're taking more trades than I would do usually. But yeah, we're just trying to push this one. Because if we get to 26,500 in profit, we're going to get a $1,000 payout plus a $500 live account. And then we're going to trade the 50-minute break here as well. But yeah, right now we're just stuck here in this eval. I feel like we're still gonna make new lows at one point. All right, we're going lower. All right, we're gonna add again. We're gonna add some contracts. Oh man, I should have just closed it there. This is like perfect for my shorts, taking my scalps. This is just perfect. Yeah, okay, we're gonna blow this account now. At least we can move over to the funded one. Okay, God. Thanks you. Damn, what a sell-off. Well, look, missed us by one tick and then turns over. But I wanted to be in the shorts, and now I don't know if I can still take shorts. Damn it. Shit, no, it's okay. I mean, it's a eval account. It doesn't matter. But Jesus Christ, we're selling off. Like, what's going on? Did we had any news coming out or? Okay, let me show you. All right, at least we're gonna trade the funded account now again. Got a super bad fill here. Jesus, look at this. Man, that's annoying. We could be done by now. Could be done. Don't know what's going on. Damn. Well, the walk messed it up. Damn it. No, it's super hard to scalp it short, you know? Like, if we get a pullback here, can't do it. Oh, we had news at 12. I mean, this is in a minute, right? I mean, in a couple of seconds. Where are you from? Yeah, I'm from Germany. I'm from Europe. Oh, we had 12 news. Okay, like in total. Okay, okay. You know, we're just gonna write that. Jesus. Man, I can't even fit it on my screen anymore. You too? Nice. Yeah. Give your salute to the longs. If you went long, rest in peace. You're done. And so unfortunate. You saw that like a tick away from getting it out on the eval account, but it is what it is. I wanted to take shorts the whole day on the funded account and just scalp it. Yeah, we still need 50 bucks here for today. So two more scalps. But probably just gotta wait until the volatility cools down a little bit. So have some level down here. Let's see if we're gonna bounce from that. All right, let me just check something for a second. All right. Yeah, I totally forgot it's a federal holiday today, so no grocery stores are open. We gotta order something. Now we're pulling back. See if this is a bad decision or not. Trying to scalp here. And if I scalp, I would like to be out already, you know. Taking too long already. A lot of volatility. Still holding, but not going lower. If this pulls all the way back, we're gonna be in trouble. I have to cut it at one point then. All right, sellers coming in again. I wonder what's going on with all the volatility here. Still getting stronger here. Just gonna try to DCA at least a little bit. And we could, I don't know, maybe reverse the whole move here. It's starting to look ugly. Oh, not looking good. Damn it, I knew it. I should have waited. It's the first time that we're in a pickle with this account, unfortunately. It's going so well. All right, we in 6 contracts. This is gonna be the maximum here. That's the issue. If you don't use a stop when you scalp it, especially when you DCA, it can really be super painful. Really need the sellers coming in. All right, let me just close the door one more time. Ooh. A good drop here, 30 points. Could have been done already for today. Looks like we're just getting stronger and we're just gonna reverse the whole move here. Bad decision making on my side. Well, I think there goes our payout for tomorrow. I knew it. I should have waited. That's what I said. I don't know what's going on. We're pushing higher and higher now. Not looking good. We still have like 1200 drawdown, 1100. But this is just getting really, really ugly here. It works so good until it doesn't. I mean, this is just gonna go higher and higher now. First time that we were really getting stuck in a position on this account. The last days they worked out pretty smooth. Already 50 points away now from the target. Really need sellers to step in here. Just every red candle just gets bought again. Yeah, we can't add anymore, so we still give it enough room to breathe. Tricky. In case we get lower again, maybe I just put my stop in or just close it manually. Just the wrong time to go short. I mean, we're already like 60 points away now. At one point, I think I just have to cut it. It's gonna be super painful, but it is what it is. Just going higher and higher here. Still gotta figure out what's going on, like why we're having these these movements. Probably some tariff things coming out. And we were doing so well the last days. Yeah, we're doing so well. All right, couple of sellers coming in. We need a magic check. Yeah, no, I just messed it up. I mean, I don't even know if I should place a stop now or just let it run. Even if I place a stop and there's just almost no drawdown left. Damn it. That's super annoying. Oh, that's the thing with DCA and scalping. It works until it doesn't. It's just annoying. So much hard work, like the last days, so much time I put into. And it doesn't look like we're gonna get weaker here and turn again, so. No, we need Trump to to talk about like the tariffs one more time. That's what we need. You went short when it touched the moving average. Did you get your target or not? We don't have too much drawdown left. Also, we in 6 contracts. It's just way too much. I'm telling you, we need a wonder here. Okay, this is the first time we're holding for at least a couple minutes. You're holding, oh, you are just as crazy as me. Damn it. Well, we're so close to a payout here. That's the annoying part. Damn, I think a lot of shorts getting burned here. We need the Lord himself to save us here. Oh, it looks like we're getting ready for another move higher here. Wait, let me get my phone so I can check on the food. I'm stupid. I should have just. In my mind, I always said, okay, if I scalp this way, my maximum loss per day should be like maybe 300. So it's still easy to recover. But damn, we're too deep into it now. Look, it's getting ready for another move higher. I mean, where are we gonna go? Like, where's the limit here? Man, it's not looking good. It's gonna be super painful to lose this account. Should have taken a longer walk or something. I don't know. And now the momentum is completely changing, unfortunately. Just slowly grinding higher. Oh, it's coming to an end. Damn it. The week was going so well, and this is just fucking it up now. It's just so hard to just close it. I don't know. I just can't do it. Sometimes these built-in daily loss limits in some firms, they're actually helpful. In my funded futures, I mean, daily loss limit on the starter account is 1200. To be honest, I think most of the times that really helped me. Yeah, I'm not gonna get tilted. I'm not gonna touch the other accounts. It is what it is. I knew what my risk is. So it hurts, but we're not gonna cause any other damage on the other accounts. Just really wanted to get this payout and move to a live account and then just use my normal strategy, take out money every day. Super annoying. All right, let me get something to drink. It is what it is. We can't change it. It hurts, but it is what it is. Uh-oh. Oh no. Man, I'm cooked. I am cooked. I was even thinking about just pressing reverse, going long instead, but every time I tried it, I get cooked as well. So, my God. All right, gonna prepare myself mentally to say goodbye to this account. Any final words? Someone want to say something? I mean, we had this account only for 4 days, but there's some good memories with this account, so it definitely hurts. Unless believe you gotta believe in it. That's what we're doing here. We're believing in it. I mean, we're only 70 points away, so not too bad. We can just drop 70 points, right? That's just getting stronger. Just slowly going higher and higher here. And I deserve that, to be honest. I mean, trading this way is just stupid. No stop, nothing. Scalping, 20 ticks for 24 ticks. It is what it is. Let's enjoy the last couple moments with this account before we gotta say forever goodbye. Where are all these buyers coming in? My God, who's buying it? I mean, we still have 70 points to work with. We're like halfway through our drawdown. I mean, the way it's moving right now, I think it's just gonna go higher. And it's painful to watch. It's so painful. Well, but gotta learn something from it. I think at least when I scalp, I still have to use some sort of stop. Uh-oh. Come on, just give us a 50-point candle down and then some momentum. I mean, we can still reverse, but I don't know. We're down 1,000 already. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is not looking good. I mean, what should we do? Should we close it, reverse it? I have no idea. If I close it and I go long and this is pulling back, I'm gonna be so. All right, we get a couple sellers here. Yeah, we're cooked. This is going higher. Just slowly grinding higher and higher here. This is so painful. We're 90 points away from our target. All right, let me set up a stop at least. How much did we make the last days? Uh, how much was I up? Like 1,300, right? Yeah. This is gonna be a hard stop, and then we're basically back to where we started the account. Yeah, we need like 2 or 3 wonders at this point. 1 wonder won't even be enough anymore. Still holding, yeah. Salute to you. If we get stopped here, we have 500 drawdown again to work with. We're just back to where we started. Gonna be super painful. We kind of deserve it for. Man, if this actually comes back to my entry or even hits our targets, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Don't give me hope. Don't give me hope. You never know with the market, right? Come on, just screw up the buyers here. And we have 3 red candles in a row here. That's getting crazy. Nothing. Where's your target? And where was your entry again? You had a later entry. It's more likely to maybe get back to break even for you, but for me, I think all hope is lost. I hate to be pessimistic, but I think it's over for me here. We're probably the only 2 people that are in a short right now. The whole world is against us, and it is what it is. Oh man. Damn it. What did they? Okay, look. I gave us some hope just to crush it again. It's around 390. Yeah, yours is not too bad. Mine is even 30 points lower. So you will be fine, maybe. Look, that's what I mean. We're getting some hope and then just getting taken away again. Well, I'm proud of myself. At least I put a stop up there. So we're not going to lose the account with this trade. We can still lose it afterwards, but we will see. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Oh, it's holding again. It's getting ready for another spike higher. And what did we do? We're seeing some red candles, but they're definitely not the way we need them. Listen, if this goes all the way to the lows again, I don't know. Do you think it's even possible to do that? Damn it. Oh, here we go again. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna go higher soon. That's what I thought. Oh, Jesus. What did we do? But yeah, respect for holding it. You're just as crazy like me. Look, it gave us some hope for a couple candles just to take it away again and go higher. This is just torture. Just the market telling me that this doesn't work the way I'm doing it. Quick lesson here. Don't get too confident. Uh-oh, going higher. $30 points away. Nassim, here it comes for me. I don't know how long you're gonna hold it. The end is near for me. This is just gonna explode in a second. It's gonna go higher. Well, instead of coming back after my walk, I could have just ended it. I was up. Oh, what's going on? I hope if someone is watching, I hope it's a lesson for you. Always use a stop. No, just kidding. A little trick here. Just showing you it's going lower just to turn around. Yeah, Nassim, I hate to say it, but it doesn't look good. I think we're cooked. Yeah, we're super cooked. Oh, there we go. You get stopped at 490. Okay, me at 480. Salute. There we go. There it is. It's just gonna fly. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. Once I'm stopped out, I'm gonna end the stream. I'm just gonna get some food and some rest. Painful, 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 painful. One bad decision just ruins the whole week. Just do it already. Just do it already. My God. Don't do this. Look, this is what I don't like. It's just giving you a little bit of hope just to crush it one more time. It's like, here, look, a little pullback just to hurt your feelings even more. Just do it already. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for impact. Seatbelt on, buckled up. Just do it. All right, basically back to where we started 4 days ago. All profits wiped out. Yeah, I don't like that. It's giving hope sometimes. I mean, it didn't give you too much hope, to be honest. It was just this little pullback here and there. Yeah, like this. Look, I mean, come on, just do it already. We all know you're gonna stop us here anyway, so. There it is. Now it's gonna do it. All right. It is what it is, Nassim. But I'm done. I'm done for now. I hope you're still in and maybe you'll survive, but I gotta go now. That's it for me. All right. I see you tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow. Have a good one. Good luck. I can't look at it anymore. I gotta go. All right. Have a good one. See you.